Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Let's try and see you with Dina B. And this look I have here, and I call it the Purple Rain. I am coming up with so many new looks using my Juvias Place Magic palette. I'm really enjoying it. It's amazing. But before we get into the tutorial, I'm gonna need you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it. Hit it. There you go. I'm not gonna be too extra. I'm sorry. To the tutorial. All right, as you can see, I have already started with my brows, and the first color I'm going to go with in the Magic palette is the Casey color, which is like a bone color. It's like white, almost white, kind of very, very light brown. And I'm going to apply that to my brow bone and use it as a base for the rest of my colors all over my eyelid. So that's what I'm going with right there. And I'm also taking my angled brush and cleaning up any straggly hairs that may have gotten out of place as I was brushing that base on. And the next color we're going to use is Zakaya, and we're going to use that as a transition color. And what we're going to do is we're going to brush that all the way over, not all the way up to our brow bone where we're touching our brows, but enough to leave a little bit of Casey showing. And we're going to brush that until we get a decent enough wash of a coverage of color there. I'm sorry. We're going to do that on both lids. And next up will be Effy, and that is a dark purple, almost blue color. And we're going to use that as our kind of crease color. And we're going to brush that over. I'm loving how soft these colors are. When I tell you these colors blend to the gods, I love it. I absolutely love it. These colors are amazing. And we're going to do that on both eyes. And give a good deep in the corner, light in the inner tear ducts area, kind of fade. And then we're going to go over to our next palette from Wet n Wild, and we're going to use this iridescent purple color, and that's going to be the only color that we're using that's not from our Juvias Place palette. And we're going to use that to basically bring down some of the Effy color and kind of basically give it that little iridescent wash that I was looking for. And so we're going to blend that in really, really good. And then we'll move on from there. And then next up, we're going to move over to our LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn. And we are going to first grab a little bit of our makeup wipes, and we're going to try to like thin out that first top part where we're going to add our next color. So we're going to thin that out with the makeup wipe first. We're not going to get it completely clean or anything like that, just basically giving our concealer a little bit of clean ground to stand on. And here I am going in with the concealer, and what I'm going to do once I get that concealer in, I'm going to actually blend that concealer in with a concealer brush. So this is something you probably never seen me do, but this is new to me, so I'm going to try it. And I'm going to blend that in. And with these colors, it actually doesn't cause a problem trying to blend it in. It actually blends really well and looks really good. So then we're going to go into our Juvias palette, and we're going to grab that purpley iridescent color called Faso. And then we're going to go ahead and put that in. Now, Faso goes on beautifully, and you can also moisten your brush to make it pop a little more if you need to. So we're gonna do that on both lids. Also, I'm grabbing this fluffy brush and we're going back in with Zakaya, and we're going to go back into our transition color and kind of darken that up, because I felt like we lost a little bit of it, because I was trying to go for like a sunset effect, if that makes any sense with these colors. So we're going to do that, and then we're going to clean up any fallout with our makeup wipe. Makeup wipes are really good for this, for just basically, you know, touch cleanup, you know, spot cleanup. Then we're going to get this dense rounded brush, and we're going to grab this color called Zubia, and we're going to drop that into our inner tear duct. And it's a beautiful pink color. And it's quite lovely. And we're going to blend that in and kind of bring it down. And then once again with the makeup wipe, clean up anything that's kind of out of the way. I noticed that I had a little bit of something on my nose. And then I'm also going to grab this soft black liner, and we're going to line our waterline. And next up is our mascara. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a mistake, and I'm gonna get some mascara on the top of my lid. So here's how we fix it. We get that same brush that we use, and we get that same mascara, eyeshadow, which is Faso, and we're gonna cover it up. And then we're gonna go in with our mascara and coat our lashes. Now, as I say every time, after this, I'm going to put my own lashes on off camera, and I'll be right back. Okay, so boom, my mascara and lashes are on. Now we are about to do my regular face routine, which is my face. So we're gonna grab that 355 warm coconut. We're gonna go all over our face with a wet beauty blender. And we are just plastering that stuff on today. Blending it in really good, making sure we get all of our corners, like in our eyes, all that good stuff, down our neck, on our forehead, and blending that in really well. And next up will be our highlights, and what we're using as concealer is our Maybelline Age Rewind highlight in the color Caramel. And then we're going to use our concealer brush, and we're going to blend that out really well. And we're going to do that on both sides of our face. And once that's blended, we're going to go in with our black opal in the shade medium with our powder. And we're also using the other powder, which I can't seem to find right now. Any yellow powder can do. I can't find the powder I used, which was the HD powder, but I'm going over that with my black opal in medium, which I absolutely love. This color is bomb.com. And I was kicking up some dust. Oh, there's my HD powder. Just for the sake of the name, it's the HD Flawless Setting Powder in Brightening Banana. So there we go, blending that right out. And then we're going to grab our angled brush, And we're going to contour to the gods. We're going to use my favorite black Radiance pressed powder in the color Rich Mahogany. And after that, we're going to line our lips. And you already know what kind of lip gloss we're going to use. And we're going to use that doll face lip gloss. I know the name now. I'm going to line our lips. And we're going to throw some doll face on there. And then, guys, I am going to do my hair really quick and change my outfit. And I will be right back. And that is exactly how I got this look. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope that you go ahead and try the look. And don't forget to stay tuned for more videos in the future. I'm gonna be coming with more stuff. So don't forget to subscribe, share, show your friends, and leave a comment. Thank you. Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. It's Dina B from Let's Try and See. No. Hey YouTube, it's